A very good morning to all my students. Students, I hope you all are fine and stay safe at your home. Now students, this is your maths period. Students, nowadays we are studying chapter number 10, that is geometry. Today we will study fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following and take the correct answer of chapter number 10, that is geometry. Students, now let's start your maths class. Students, now we will study fill in the blanks. First, a dash is a triangle that has no equal sides. A scalene triangle is a triangle that has no equal sides. Students, scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are different. It means scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal sides. Students, now come to second. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has dash equal sides. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two equal sides. Students, isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. Students, now come to third. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three dash sides. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three equal sides. Students, equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are equal. Students, now come to fourth. When a triangle has a 90-degree angle is called a dash. When a triangle has a 90-degree angle is called a right triangle. Students, a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is called a right triangle. Students, now come to fifth. When a triangle has one angle that is bigger than 90 degree is called an dash. When a triangle has one angle that is bigger than 90 degree is called an obtuse triangle. Students, a triangle in which one angle is bigger than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse triangle. So students, this is the fill in the blanks which you have to write it in your fair copy and show me in your WhatsApp class group. Students, now we will study write true or false for the following statements. First, the basic unit of geometry is a point. Students, this statement is true because the basic unit of geometry is a point. Students, geometry start with a point. So, this statement is true. Students, now come to second. Plane is a flat surface that has no thickness. Students, this statement is true because plane is a flat surface that has no thickness. So, this statement is true. Students, now come to third. Parallel lines are the lines that crosses each other. Students, this statement is false because parallel lines are the lines that never cross each other. It means parallel lines are the lines that never meet each other. So, this statement is false. Students, now come to fourth. Intersecting lines are the lines that crosses each at a single point. Students, this statement is true because intersecting lines are the lines that meet each other at a single point. So, this statement is true. Students, now come to fifth. Angles are the figure formed by two rays. Students, this statement is true because angles are the figure which is formed by two rays. So, this statement is true. Now students, this true or false, you have to write it in your fair copy and show me in your WhatsApp class group. Students, now we will study Match the following columns. This is the column A and this is the column B. And you have to match the column A with the column B. Students, now come to A part. Question is obtuse angle. Students, we know that obtuse angle is the angle which measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So, correct answer is greater than 90 degree. Students, now come to B part. Question is right angle. Students, we know that right angle is the angle which measures 90 degree. So, correct answer is measures 90 degree. Students, now come to C part. Question is acute angle. Students, we know that acute angle is the angle which measures smaller than 90 degree. So, correct answer is smaller than 90 degree. Students, now come to D part. Question is ray. Students, we know that ray has one endpoint. Students, we know that ray is a part of a line which has one endpoint. So, correct answer is has one endpoint. Students, now come to E part. Question is line segment. Students, we know that line segment is a part of a line which has two endpoints. So, correct answer is has two endpoints. So, students, this is a match the following which you have to write it in your fair copy and show me in your WhatsApp class group. Students, now we will study tick the correct answer. Students, now come to first. It extends endlessly in both directions. Students, here three options are given to you. Option A, line. Option B, line segment. Option C, ray. Now you have to tick the correct answer. Students, we know that line has no endpoints. And line can be extended endlessly in both the directions as it has no fixed length. It is straight which has no thickness. So, option A, line is the correct answer because line has no endpoints. So, it can be extended endlessly in both the direction as it has no fixed length. It is straight which has no thickness. So, students, line extends endlessly in both the direction. So, option A, line is the correct answer. Students, now come to second. It measures same as a straight angle. Students, here three options are given to you. Option A, 90 degree. Option B, 180 degree. Option C, 120 degree. Now you have to tick the correct answer. Students, we know that straight angle measures 180 degree and it make a straight line. So, option B, 180 degree is the correct answer because 180 degree measures same as a straight angle. So, option B, 180 degree is the correct answer. Students, now come to third. Half of a straight angle will be what? Students, here three options are given to you. Option A, 90 degree. Option B, 180 degree. Option C, 120 degree. Now you have to tick the correct answer. Students, we know that straight angle measures 180 degree. So, half of a straight angle will be 90 degree. Half of a 180 degree will be 90 degree. Students, we know that straight angle measures 180 degree. So, when you divide 180 degree by 2, you will get answer 90 degree. So, half of a straight angle will be 90 degree. Students, option A, 90 degree is the correct answer. Students, now come to fourth. Mehak draw an angle measuring 70 degree on her maths notebook. What type of an angle did she construct? Students, here three options are given to you. Option A, acute. Option B, obtuse. Option C, right. Now you have to take the correct answer. Students, we know that acute angle is an angle which measures less than 90 degree. So, here Mehak draw an angle measuring 70 degree on her maths notebook. It means 70 degree is less than 90 degree. So, option A, acute is the correct answer because acute angle measures less than 90 degree. Here 70 degree is less than 90 degree. So correct answer is acute angle. Students, now come to fifth. Take the letter that shows a right angle. Students, here three options are given to you. Option A. Option B, L. Option C, O. Now you have to take the correct answer. Students, we know that right angle looks like a English letter L. So option B, L is the correct answer because right angle measures 90 degree and it looks like a English letter of L. So option B, L is the correct answer. Students, just take the correct answer. You have to write it in your copy and show me in your WhatsApp class group. Students, today I have completed your maths syllabus. So from tomorrow I will take your revision test. Students, note down your homework. Your homework is to practice chapter number 8, that is money, for revision test tomorrow. Students, tomorrow I will take revision test of chapter number 8, that is money. So practice all the exercises of chapter number 8, that is money, and also learn fill in the blanks, true or false, take the correct answer and match the following of chapter number 8, that is money. Students, this is your homework.